Are you ready for the trip of a lifetime? Well, it seems some people are. And they're getting a helping hand from the cane toad. How dangerous is cane toad poison? How are these toads disturbing ecosystems? And the question on your mind is, why are people smoking cane toad poison? The cane toad comes from Central and South America, and it's a very adaptable animal. It can live in jungles, grasslands, and even swamps. So it's almost always at the top of the invasive species list. In Australia, it's causing all sorts of problems. But we'll come back to that. Cane toads produce a poison to help them fend off predators. It's a milky white substance secreted from the glands on the back of their shoulders. Some people have dried and burned the poison. Inhaling the smoke produces psychedelic experiences many people have sought. Even celebrities have talked about smoking the poison. The hallucinogenic experience has been described as life-changing and a part of a spiritual journey. Smokers see bright colors and have out-of-body experiences. But people aren't just smoking the poison to get high. The hallucinogenic experiences they have seem to have benefits. Scientists have described the hallucinogen's ability to cause ego death, resetting, or clearing their minds. But it's not a new age fad. Consuming or inhaling cane toad poison goes back as far as the Middle Ages, and the practice doesn't seem to be waning, even though it's illegal in many countries. The poison is called bufotoxin, after the scientific name of the toad, Bufo marinus. So beautiful. It contains bufogen, the fatal heart-affecting component, and the hallucinogens bufotenin and 5-MeO-DMT. And in case you were wondering, no, it is not a Scrabble word. DMT is more widely known as a hallucinogen, but 5-MeO-DMT is an estimated 4 to 6 times more potent. And research from 2018 suggests that 5-MeO-DMT affects nerve development in mice and may help treat mental illnesses like depression and anxiety. But this is where the good news about the cane toad ends. It's enemy number 1 to many conservation groups around the world. The war on cane toads is heating up as they now live in Florida, Hawaii, Australia, the Philippines, and other countries we don't have time to name. In 1935, sugarcane farmers introduced them in Australia to control cane beetles. The original 2,400 cane toads have become an astonishing 200 million. Their poison has devastated ecosystems, killing native species like monitor lizards, snakes, and even crocodiles. They have been doing so well in these new habitats that they're evolving a new behavior. They started singing with banjos. Just kidding. Australian cane toads are resorting to cannibalism. They're even likely to eat each other's eggs and hatchlings when given a chance. This evolutionary arms race has triggered cane toad offspring to mature quicker. But all is not lost in this battle. Scientists think they may have found a species to take on the toads. Enter the Australian predatory meat ants. Cane toads can't detect or evade the ants since they move slowly and their little legs can only hop short distances. The ants are immune to the toad's poison. Ha ha ha, suckers! So a group of ants could easily take down a small toad. Introducing the meat ants in cane toad habitats could prove a vital step in reducing the skyrocketing cane toad population in Australia. But Australia is not the only place suffering from cane toads. They've also taken over in Florida and more. So why not check out our alligator versus Florida man's trash can video? It shan't disappoint. They produce poison that's psychedelic if you smoke it, and they're invading other parts of the world. That's what cane toads do. And that's what makes them crazy creatures.